Welcome back to the BSN channel. I'm back with my mother. Hello, Mum.
Hello, people.
What to say? She's fine. I was asking how is the inside of her joints. Literally. Yeah, so today we're making something called Kurokurokoko and mponam nkwan.
Hey, pardon?
Kurokurokoko and mponam nkwan. Or mponam, sorry, mponam nkwan.
Kurokurokoko, mponam nkwan.
Yes, she said it properly. What she said. One more time, please.
Kurokurokoko, mponam nkwan.
Brakam. And we've got some nentrie nkwan, which is salted beef, basically. So I'm going to show the rest of the ingredients. Are we using nyadwa for this?
No, not at all.
And is this a light soup or?
It's peanut.
Oh, so this is actually an nkwan, peanut soup or peanut butter soup, whatever you want to call it. So let's get to the ingredients. Actually, Mum, you're looking nice today, you know.
Thank you.
It's important you say those things.
What do you want from me?
Food.
How much money?
Me pay for. Anyways,
You're going to get it. Yeah, I'm trying to cut their fins now.
So ingredients, bruh. Okay, so we have 3 onions.
Medium size.
Yeah, it's medium size. We also have 5 Scotch bonnet peppers. Or is one of them chopped? Alright, they're different sizes. Why are you using so much pepper today? Is it because it's a peanut soup?
Not really, I just want something hot.
Yay.
Yeah. Or not.
Me paucho ediasem.
It's nice to have something a bit chilly.
Okay.
The weather is different, isn't it?
We have crunchy peanut butter.
This has got the real flavour.
Can you explain to me why you always use crunchy? You don't use the smooth.
Because the smooth one, they've got too much of flour in it, and this one is they've actually make sure there's groundnut thrown in, regardless. It tastes more like homemade one.
So generally more authentic, in your opinion.
Yeah, this one you have to blend it again.
Okay.
It's lumpy.
Are we adding salt, or are you using Maggi, jumbo seasoning? Or?
I use real salt, sea salt. I don't use jumbo anymore.
So no MSG?
No more. For a long time.
Isn't that monosodium glutamate? Sorry, not this. Not this.
You're trying to put me off.
So this is the salt my mum's using. I'm guessing this is sea salt.
It is sea salt.
That's sea salt. Over here we have chopped tomatoes, tin. I'm guessing it's 330. No, it's 400 grams. We got nice granulated garlic from California. We use this a lot. My mum uses this a lot. I don't use this, but my mum likes getting the premium stuff. What my mum was doing before, seconds ago, she was... Oh, the knife.
Sorry.
No, don't worry. I'm in the way, obviously. My mum was chopping the salted beef, which I said earlier was nentrie nkwan, cow salt meat. Salted meat. And we're going to go on to the mponam.
Yay!
Okay, so here we have a lot of bones from different parts of the turkey. This is actually from the turkey from Christmas dinner. My mum left this out to dry. Then it was frozen, I think, so it doesn't rot. But can you explain why you have left the turkey bones with remnants of meat on to dry for so long? Is there a reason?
I left it there after a meal for 3 days without putting it in the fridge or freezer. And when I tasted it, it tastes like a, you know, a bit, it's not rotten, but it takes a bit like a cure. You know, when you cure some meat, like you leave it hanging for a long time without putting in the fridge or freezer. So the flavor, you know, I decided it would taste better with rare or nkati. So I decided to make. That's why I gave it mponam, because mponam has got a bit funny taste to it. And when you make your soup with it, you get a nice flavor. So it's something that has been brewed for a while. It's got a huge flavor. That's why it's called mponam. Mponam itself is some meat that they leave it drying, because this is smoked and dried. The same thing in mponam. Bush meat, they smoke it, they leave it, they keep smoking it. So I don't know one like that. So this is a turkey mponam. This is not what do you call it? Bush meat mponam. This is turkey mponam.
And where did you learn this?
By my parents and by looking at people. When I used to go to market, I see different things.
So Nana Ba used to do this?
My mom only ate fresh.
Okay.
She was always getting fresh bush meat all the time from my dad.
That's very interesting. I mean, obviously, your father was a hunter.
Yeah, we used to go to the farm and bring meat. We never buy meat. We were always eating meat.
That's interesting. We're now going to get to the base, which you should be accustomed to now. Please. And for the base, as usual, we've put the onions in. This is a blender. Well, really it's a juicer, but we're going to use this as a blender. We have the peppers, onions. I'm guessing my mum's going to put the chopped tomatoes with it. I don't know if she has enough space.
No.
But the chopped tomatoes will be grounded. And with the garlic as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Will you use the blender for the peanuts, or you're just going to put the peanuts to melt in the pot?
When everything is boiling, then I'll blend that one.
Okay, so how long is it going to boil for before you add the base? Or the base goes in to boil and then you're going to add the peanut butter?
Yeah.
Okay, so how long is everything going to boil before, or roughly before you add the peanut butter? Like once the base is in, how long are you going to let it? Because you're going to grind it. Okay, you
have to see it. Now you put me off. I feel like putting the fresh one.
No, I realized you just brought out the real fresh garlic now. Why?
It's stronger.
You had a change of heart.
Yay! Yes, I did. This is.
I'm liking the way you're saying yay. You're perfecting the yay. It's almost close to my yay, but you're getting them.
Yeah, I like things fresh and older.
All this talk about Nana Ba has made you think that, you know, if she uses fresh garlic.
So I only buy organic garlic. So why wouldn't I use it?
Good for the heart, people.
Good for everybody.
Good for diabetes.
Blood circulation, you name it. Cough, diseases, everything. It's like antibiotic.
And it's good for this time, you know. Many people are trying to get pregnant, so it's true. I've read the statistics. Around this time, this is when people get pregnant.
Is it winter time?
Yes. I'm guessing you did, because my birthday's September, so yeah. Anyways, moving on.
No, you was what? I think December. Forgotten.
I'm near the end of the year, so around this time he was pregnant, and my brother, he's around the end of the year, so it's true. It's in the statistics.
What's this fertility got to do with anything?
Garlic helps.
That is my job to, you know, explain this when it comes to fertility.
But garlic helps men to circulate healthy. Anyways, this is an uncomfortable conversation. You're gonna add the fresh garlic in here. So, is there any need for this garlic running?
Not really. I won't be using it.
Okay, so be it.
Well, some people haven't got the raw one, so they have to get the powder. It doesn't matter. As long as you use quantities, because I love my garlic. I've got to use it a lot.
Sometimes I feel like there's never too much garlic.
If I have this, I pour about 3 big spoons or 4.
Alright, so we're going to come back once the base is in, well, blended and put in the pot. My mom's switching on the heat. High temperature, the highest temperature it has.
Yeah, because you want it quick.
We want the juices to flow out, the flavor to integrate with the water. Create a system of tastiness.
And this is the remaining of my thing. You want to show this?
Okay. Do you mean the mponam?
Yeah.
Jeez, it's looking like cake.
Yeah.
It's looking like chin chin.
That's my remaining turkey. I keep warming it every time, putting it in the oven.
So really, this is recycled.
Oh, yeah. And it's so flavored. And you're making nkwan, you throw some in it.
So how many days have you been, repeating this process?
About 5 days. So I'll do it until it turns out to, because mponam is like this. But the mponam we see is a bush meat. But this one is actually turkey I'm using it for.
Well, it makes sense. You've already explained the linguistics of that. So, thanks for explaining that, Mum. We'll be back soon. Peace. Okay, so most of the things you saw in that bowl, excluding the cup or the container, is now in here blended. Got the onions in there, dolo, tomatoes, black ham, pepper, Anyways, it's all in there. The main thing, or the next things that we're going.
Last minute.
Okay, that's more last minute. It's a bit like when you add the mackerel, to be honest.
You want it chewy.
So that means you're actually gonna do this soup for quite a while, because if this is the last minute thing, this still has to be in there for a while. Yeah. So you're actually trying to extract all the taste out of what you're putting in.
Yeah.
So this is not a fast soup. You're trying to make a well-flavored, brewed soup.
The moment it boils, it's going to be brewed already. It's already brewed.
Okay. You're actually adding the peanut butter now.
No, not yet. Until it's boiling.
Oh no, because I saw you open the packet.
Yeah, I'm getting it ready to blend.
Oh, so you've chosen to blend it?
I want to show people what the reason why I'm blending it. What is this? This is nuts. Why would I want to be biting into this when I'm trying to nkwan? Eh? These are lumpy.
It's very true.
Yeah, so that's why I need to blend it to smooth it. I know people might be thinking, why don't you buy the smooth one? No.
Do you know what I used to do when I was doing casserole? I'll do it in the Pretoria.
Yeah, I was supposed to, but now technology, everything
is it you who taught me that? Because everything I do with Ghanaian food is what you taught me.
Yeah, Pretoria. But I just want to do it easy way. Oh dear, mommy, you took too much at the time.
One thing you have to admit, nkwan is one of your favorite soups, right?
Not anymore. I used to do it for you.
Yeah, but it was too much. And then I used to ask Mum, why? And you was like, okay, all we had as children was a nkwan and a bunu nkwan. You never had peanut soup that much.
My mom didn't. But she has to buy that. And I bet she didn't have to. She had that in her farm. Or my dad will bring it home. I've got about 4 tablespoons there, which will make my soup a bit more pure.
If people want to, can they add less, add more? Is there such thing as having too much or too less?
It depends how thick. I like thick soup. I can eat it with kenke, I can eat it with banku, I can eat it with gari. I don't make the soup just for fufu. The fufu I don't even like. You can eat this with semolina. So if your soup is fake,
Yes, Ose Tutu, forgive us.
forget about him.
Can never forget about Ose Tutu.
He's too big, he doesn't even eat fufu now.
I'm talking about the real Ose Tutu.
Oh, the ones that we are gone.
How can you talk? I'm talking about the Prempeh. Konfu Nochi.
Yeah, but they know.
Well, he wasn't a king, but I'm talking about the historical people. And he wasn't a Santi, so. But you don't have to be a Santi. It's about Ghana as a nation anyway.
It's from danger. How can it be a Santi?
Ooh, Mom's getting into the facts.
Thanks to you.
Obakosem. Jeez.
Yeah, you taught me, boy. I didn't know, did I?
It's in your blood.
I still didn't know. You know more Ghana history than me.
Only because I'm obsessed with Ghana. I'll be honest, I am obsessed with Ghana and a lot of other cultures.
If I tell you to sit down and narrate the whole Ghana, I think it would take about 6 months.
I'll do that, but I have to be well versed.
And a lot of born Ghanaian bred people will be shocked.
You'd be surprised. A lot of Ghanaians do know the history, but they...
Not all of them.
It's more orally, you know, oral history, should we say. And a lot of facts are either wrong or misled or added on due to, you know, their forefathers' ego. But anyway, we'll be back when the peanut is blended. Peace. 15 minutes later, or 10 minutes later, it's starting to get red, looking like the depths of hell. But we pray to God, so this is heaven. So moving on, we've got the mponam right here.
The hard ones are going in.
Only the hard ones? Are you going to put the soft ones towards the end?
Soft one is not going in, I'm keeping it for a raining day.
Okay.
Not going too much. Just putting
enough.
Yeah. Because I'm still going to put a bit of salmon in it. Is that a bun? No. Yeah, that goes in.
Okay, and we're going to boil the kettle, which will make
it. Yeah.
will make it rise, add more volume to the soup as usual.
Yeah, the same consistency.
Okay.
Mix with the heat.
Peace again. It's fine. Now the peanut is coming in. Almost looking like coconut water. I don't know, something like that is looking chocolatey.
Like a mousse.
We've got the, oh, that's so you can smell the peanut. Roasted. Roasted energies. More H2O. Gonna add the water. Mom, I see some sea bass on the right. Has that just come from the sky?
No, you know the way I make my soup.
So you're gonna add this in the end? Yeah. Mum comes with all surprises. Oh, even, is that the fatty part of the sea bass?
No.
Okay.
This one is sea bass. This one is
Salmon.
salmon.
Oh, I was wondering why it looked like that because that was
The
looking.
salmon. And I have a salmon head, and so I took.
Oh, so the middle is the sea bass.
Yeah, the middle is sea bass.
I thought this looked a bit
It's
different.
from freezer, so I wanted to defrost. By the time I'm ready for it, it will defrost.
Oh, it's gonna
And it
be
goes in
nice.
just for about 10 minutes.
So is it gonna go in the same time as the salted beef?
Salted beef will go in 10 minutes.
From now?
No, when they're not.
Oh, 10 minutes before it's finished.
No, you go in like 20 minutes before it's finished.
Okay. The kettle's boiled.
Yeah, stay there, let me put it.
She's going to add it near the top. Well, not too much. Just,
The way I want it.
we'll see. You have to see my mum's style of cooking. I'm sure many West Africans can relate to this. There's no measurements. It's based on vibes and how she feels. I can't give you measurements. You know? I can't give you time measurements or centimeters, weights.
Half of the pot, which will be about how many? To be about.
Mum, you don't have to.
10 cup full.
This is spiritual cooking.
That's not spiritual cooking. What are you talking about?
What I mean is, it's not off. It doesn't have physical parameters. It's just
experience, you know.
Yes, she goes by the feel of it.
Not the feel. That's what I've been learning. My mom didn't have measurement.
Master.
She just tell me, you know, put this water in it.
I like to call you the lioness. The lioness of the nkwan. Brah to the cam.
Have you noticed I have not even stirred this soup?
I have noticed this. But it still looks beautiful.
I don't stir my soup, you know. I don't like stirring it. It's good in and out.
Why, you don't want it to break into pieces and stuff?
But this one can't break because they are all bone in them.
Oh, okay. Is that the reason why? Is that one of the reasons why you process the turkey this way? Or is most? It was just a taste.
Whoa!
How does it feel?
The chili.
But do you taste anything else?
No.
Well, you did add 5 in there. You did put 5 Scotch bonnets in there.
You should have stopped me.
I was thinking,
normally
Mum's gone back to her roots in the village.
I think I need a pure.
There's no shame.
I need pure. Try to pure.
Okay.
You have to get me one.
Intervention time.
Please.
Intervention.
Come on.
Okay, peace, bye. I'll be right back. I've got to walk somewhere. Okay, so I've come back. My mum was, this is how you know my mum's hungry. Before I even press play, she squeezed the tomato puree in already.
Hello. What is it?
So, for those who don't know, it's a bit of a shortcut. If you made it the soup a bit too hot, find a way of getting more tomato content. It still will be hot, but just not as hot.
Cool it down a bit.
Oh, okay. It's looking like the elixir of life. I love the way when I say something like this, my mom just goes, but see, African mothers are serious, you know. Don't joke around with them. You know? You look like you're going to fight. I love the contrast between us.
I don't know if I'm able to eat this fruit with oil.
At least have some.
No, I can't.
Pour a bit, add a bit of water.
No, what's the
point? A bit of salt.
I overdone the chili.
Jeez.
This is like...
What, is this for the Apateshi gang?
Yeah, I wish you had these people.
The Apateshi gang, the Castle Milk gang, the Gilder, the Star gang.
Alright, go easy. I got this with you. Should have bought 2 actually. Then the soup will strong. That would do because I'm going to put fish in it. Definitely.
Fish is going to go in.
Put it down.
And if it's too hot for you, why don't you make a bit of the wholemeal rice that you have and then put little bits on? But yeah, you've got wholemeal rice.
And then put a little bit.
Instead of just having the whole soup and then having to drink it afterwards. Because I know you don't like to waste soup. That's why you use, one satya to just wipe it. Clean it off.
I love that. I've made my nice soup by his chili. I can't
It should be chili. It's like the spirits wanted it chili. Because when you said you're adding 5 in, you want chili, please rewind. She did say that in the video. I couldn't believe it. I was like, Mum, are you serious?
Normally I use 3.
I should have stopped you.
They were small.
I should have stopped you, Mum. I should have said, grind 3 of them Leave 2 of them whole, and if it's not hot enough, then grind those.
I'm going to put this one in.
Why, you don't want to waste it? Because it's too hot.
I've taken away some of the salt out because I put plenty salt in here already.
Alright, have a taste if it's not too salty.
This is right.
This is right.
I don't need any more salt, that's why I took it.
So you're not going to... Oh, okay. So you're going to soak the salted beef in water?
No, I'll just put it in.
Alright.
Whoa!
Well, this is literally done. I'm going to come in... Well, it's not literally done, but I don't want to make the video too long. We will come back when both of this is in.
Yeah, 5 minutes time I'll put this one in.
And then 10 minutes after that, this is going to go in.
That's it.
So we'll be back roughly 20-25 minutes when this is finished. Peace. Okay, so this is emergency chili alert. My mom really needs this to go down so she can enjoy it. I mean, I can enjoy it, but my mom wants to enjoy it. So she's got Africa Queen. I mean, she's an African queen herself. So
I'm not using it. I'm using
just some, because the tomato.
One.
Just one, yeah.
I'm using one and all.
Just one of the fish within here.
And the sauce.
And that's actually gonna help mellow the soup. The fish itself adds more taste. So it's a win-win situation. Win-win. So this is, for your information, FYI sort of thing. Peace.
Yeah.
So this is near the end.
Soup time.
This is definitely the pouring out time.
I don't want this one to be mashed in the soup, so I'll take them out first. Sorry.
Lucky I'm taller than you.
I know. What is this?
It's like the salmon.
Yeah. And that was,
Do you see how it looks similar to the end product of Revre soup? There is a similarity between nkwan and nkwan.
Would you want one of this?
If it's in the soup,
Yeah.
I'll have it. See that beautiful peanut smell. When you add the peanut in, when it's grounded, at first, it doesn't smell like this. I can't explain the smell. It's just nkwan. And it's not too heavy. It's light, but as my mom said to me off camera a minute ago, it's going to be thicker the next day. Usually it's solid. Then you add a little bit of water and boil it again. Tastes even better. I'm guessing this one is for my mom.
This is for you.
Alright.
You like your meat?
This is my mom right here. My mom is very modest. But off camera we'll see.
I don't eat that much. When it comes to, if it's coconut, I'll eat a lot.
Jeez. Face the wall.
Charming. That's interesting.
Why did they call it face the wall? There should be no shame in having kokonte. I had it as a child. I don't like it too much now because it tastes a bit too sweet. I just want something bland.
What are you eating there?
Why? You're the only one having the entry,
It's only me you eating it.
Oh, I thought you said just, Udia.
Only me.
I mean, it is yours anyway, so.
Isn't it enough?
That is enough.
So tomorrow you can eat.
No, I care more about the soup. I want more soup.
Should I take some of the meat out?
Not the beef. You can take more of the mponam if you want to.
I'll take this one out.
I said take some of the mponam out. You want to? Okay. Beggars cannot be choosers.
You want mponam?
I'm fine. This is fine. I'm not gonna complain.
You got about how many beef? You got loads of
No, I'm
beef.
fine. This is fine.
That's fine to start off. The soup is there whenever you want some more. You're welcome.
Did you leave some for later?
No, you want to make it extra?
No, don't make extra, but I just need mostly soup now.
Yeah, your fufu is underneath.
So I can leave the fufu and then add.
No, eat it.
Anyways, if you liked the video, please like. If you didn't like, feel free to dislike. If you haven't already, please subscribe. God bless to the believers. Good luck to the non-believers. Peace, people.